Yusuf was a young man, full of dreams. He chased wealth, fame, and people's approval. He had money. He had friends. Whenever the Adhan called, he would whisper the same words. Later. I'll pray, later. One night, at a wedding. Music was loud. Laughter filled the air. And Yusuf? He was at the center, dancing, smiling. Living the life everyone admired. But suddenly, he collapsed. The laughter stopped. His friends rushed him to the hospital. The doctors checked him. And their faces grew pale. One leaned in, and whispered. You have 3 hours. Prepare yourself. 3 hours. That's all. For the first time in years. Yusuf's heart trembled. He saw flashes of every missed prayer. Every ignored Adhan, every chance to give Sedka that he wasted. Tears streamed down his face. He begged. Ya Allah, forgive me. Give me just one more day. I'll change. I promise. But promises mean nothing when time has already expired. The clock ticked. Yusuf grew weaker. The hospital lights blurred. And then, he saw what no one else could see. A figure entered the room. Tall. Silent. The angel of death. Yusuf tried to scream. But no voice came out. He tried to run. But his body betrayed him. And the angel spoke, without words. Your time is up. Your chances are over. Brothers, sisters. Yusuf thought he had years ahead. But death doesn't send a message. It doesn't knock politely. It comes when you least expect it. The prophet said. Remember often, the destroyer of pleasures, death. It's rightly said, pray before you're preyed upon. Because in the end, the only thing that will remain is your prayer. Your charity. Your good deeds. Not your wealth. Not your followers. Not your pride. Yusuf's 3 hours ended that night. But yours may be ending even sooner. The question is, if death knocked, right now, would you be ready? If this story touched your heart, give it a like, share with others, and subscribe for more stories of faith and transformation. May Allah guide us all. Ameen.